Now, your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
Temperature and dew point are both high, both coming in at 74 degrees, and consequently we have 100% relative humidity. 74 temperature, dew point with a feels like temperature of the same, 74 degrees. Nice starry sky, says Becky in Mayaca, who's looking out her window and says it's a beautiful way to start a day. We will see showers, though, build later on in the afternoon, and some of those producing some rainfall that comes down in buckets, kind of enhanced today by a little area of low pressure spinning around in the atmosphere and scooting across the state. As that happens, as it moves across the state, our rain chance spikes at about 60% by 3 p.m. Also, as it moves across the state, it allows for a kind of change in our weather pattern that'll really kick in by Sunday, I think. But even tomorrow, we'll start to notice slight differences. Across the nation, well, it's really the eastern half of the United States that has all the action. Back to the west, it's quiet and warm. We have a frontal boundary that kind of stretches back from Texas all the way up into the northeast. And we have what's left of Gordon starting to get submerged in that flow, that frontal boundary, and it will become extratropical by tomorrow, ejecting quickly off to the north and to the east. For us, showers ring the state, with most of the showery activity occurring over on the other coast this morning thanks to a general southeasterly wind flow. That will continue on today and help enhance our rainfall chances as those showers move closer to us. There's a chance at a brief shower in inland areas during the morning hours and maybe a pop-up shower closer to the coast as we head into noontime, 1, 2 o'clock. But it's mostly during the later afternoon when our showers get enhanced by this upper level spinning gyre of air that moves across the state and out into Gulf waters. When that happens, this high pressure ridge is allowed to sink southward, and it will, and it'll take our easterly winds and shift them to westerly winds as we head into the weekend, mostly on Sunday. So for today, we get that east wind pattern that we've had most of the week long. Good rain chances later in the afternoon into the evening. As those showers hit our sea breeze, boom, they explode and become thunderstorms. Sunday, the southwest wind begins to develop a little bit more consistently, and what that does is take our showers from Gulf waters and sling them back to the coast, giving us a chance of morning, late morning, early afternoon showers before those showers are kind of pushed toward the other coast. And that will feature, well, some little bit quieter afternoons for us as we head into Sunday and probably Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of next week as well. So it's kind of a prolonged shift in our weather pattern. We're watching the tropics pretty carefully. 3 different systems, all having good chances for strengthening. Florence, now a tropical storm, was once a major hurricane, will probably once again be a major hurricane as we head into next week. Chances for development of these 2 waves coming off Africa, including one rather large wave, is good. 90% over 5 days, and the first one probably even a higher percentage over just 24 hours. Tropical storm Florence continues on a track, strengthening as it moves through more conducive environments in the open waters, and by Wednesday of next week, maybe starting to threaten areas of the Central American coastline. We'll have to watch that one pretty carefully. Some computer models suggest a more southerly track, others do not, and most of them keep it further to the north. From the mid-Atlantic to the northeast, it could be a problem as we head into next week. So we'll continue to watch that and see. This computer model tends to favor a Carolina landfall, but you can see there's still quite a bit of spread in the model forecast, and so confidence is kind of low. There's a little tropical wave that we were talking about as well on a southern track, puts it close to the Leeward Islands. Obviously, any major system in the Leeward Islands causes us in Florida to put our little hurricane spiny senses up. So as we head into next week, please be advised of where that system is and what it's doing. East wind coming in at about 10 knots. We'll look on the course of the week ahead at some pretty benign weather. 60% chance of showers today, 50% tomorrow. Winds shift, and we start to see lesser rain chances in the afternoon for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday of next week. And of course, Wednesday and Thursday, we'll be watching the tropics with great interest.